Sewu is an 8th century Mahayana Buddhist temple located 800 meters north of Prambanan in central Java, Indonesia. The word for a Hindu or Buddhist temple in Indonesian is Candi, hence the common name is Candi Sewu. Candi Sewu is the second largest Buddhist temple complex in Indonesia. Borobudur is the largest. Sewu predates nearby Loro Jonggrang temple at Prambanan. Although the complex consists of 249 temples, this Javanese name translates to 1,000 temples, which originated from popular local folklore, the Legend of Loro Jonggrang. Archaeologists believe the original name for the temple compound to be Manjusrigrha.